Good morning. Happy 4th of July. Let's go to the gym. Today is strength training. I'm excited. What a wonderful workout. I feel good. I don't know why I went so much time in my life without like prioritizing this, because it feels so good. I'm not really one to like struggle throwing things away, but for some reason I haven't thrown these out yet. Like, what am I waiting for? Look, they're destroyed. I think I just for a bit like to take it in. I'm like, wow, look, you use your shoes, girl. Oh my goodness. Anyway,